looking to trade your vehicle in, the way that you present your vehicle can actually affect your trade value. Hi, my name is Andrew, and I work at Progressive Auto Sales, and I appraise vehicles every single day, and I'm going to teach you how to get more for your trade. Starting off, one of the most important things is making sure the vehicle is well presented, clean. So like for example, this vehicle here, just running it through a car wash and making it look that much more shiny would make all the difference when appraising this vehicle. Here's some things that I would recommend is keeping the exterior of the vehicle clean like we see here, and keeping the interior clean. Like as you see here, it's not professionally detailed, but it still looks very presentable. Another way that you can make your car more presentable is removing odors from the car. If a salesperson doesn't want to sit in your car and it smells like a dumpster, they're gonna have a tough time appraising that car. Starting with the next point is small fixes, big returns. So for example, this car right here has a little paint transfer right here and some paint chips down here. Fixing that is a small, easy repair and makes a huge difference when appraising the vehicle. Another example of a quick, easy fix would be replacing bulbs in headlights, tail lights, and if you have any warning lights on the dash that are easy, like oil change light or a tire pressure light, those are nice and easy to get off and definitely help when getting the vehicle appraised. Starting off with the next point is most documentation is online. You don't need all of this documentation. As somebody who appraises cars for a living, the documentation that I would bring to a car appraisal is if you had any modifications to the vehicle, just record of that. If there's any accidents to the vehicle that you know is not reported to Carfax, providing that is a huge help to a car dealership, and just any other things that you think is just important to have with the vehicle. The must-have documentation that you need to bring to a dealership when getting your car appraised is the ownership of the vehicle. That shows the dealership that you're ready to sell that car today. The next point is understanding the market. For example, I wouldn't sell a sports car right at the start of wintertime. Ways you can research more about your car are there's consumer reports that you can find online. You can go onto AutoTrader and sort by similar cars to yours to see what they're listed at to kind of give you an idea on what your vehicle's going for. Knowing the best time to sell your car and doing market research can put you in a really strong position when you go for an appraisal at a dealership. Here's a bonus tip. Don't overinvest in your vehicle. If it's gonna cost a lot of money to do the repair, there's a good chance that you're not gonna get that money back when you go and trade it in. One thing that I would definitely do is be honest and transparent when getting your vehicle appraised. That makes it so that you can get the absolute most for your trade because the dealer knows exactly what's going on with the vehicle and what's been done. So finally, a trade-in isn't just about a car. It's about how you position yourself in the market and how you present that car to a dealer. To recap, that's bringing your car in clean and presentable, bringing that documentation, and being honest and transparent. And lastly, fix the small stuff, but remember, don't overinvest. So again, I'm Andrew. I appraise cars for a living, and if you want a free professional appraisal, come to Progressive Auto Sales and ask for Andrew, and I'll appraise your vehicle.